Kibor pulit jong gejala hakano pai singi kakalai terik uno pra arjar arpulai tila penteliat no naka roller ya palat chispa prakoutli ki modify silencer lani ki tyndong pynmih tdem tiba pynmih jingsawa tiba pendai hakikali bat ki arsyaka ya kabaki pulit kilayo kem menta usnam ya kini ki modify silencer la penteliat hakajing don lang usb ka is khasahil uba s nong tenger usb shillong city uba vivek sem usb traffic branch uke prasad nalor ki wepat tenger ulai thu bahau ne usnam kila don hadu palat laispa teli ki kali bat ki arsyaka kibala pendai ki modify silencer bala kem palat chispa prapui teli
highest from Saga.
use a modified silencer. So you have seen last year we started, this year we started from January until date. We have seen 322, 320 we have detected. But then we have seized 181. Previously, when we detected, we request the owner to like to remove on their own. But then we realized that later that some are again using it. So when we realized that, then now we have seized this 181, so which will be destroyed shortly now, and the STP will continue to detect all the modified silencer which is not authorized by law. So we'll continue to do that, and right now, which is and fine also.
12 lakhs for this year only, 12 lakhs 46,500.
Okay, for this year we realized fines from all this modified silencer about 12 lakhs 46,500, and that has been deposited to the government checker, the state treasury. So that's all, and when we crash again next time, we'll call you again. Thank you.
So silencers are for the four-wheeler or the mix?
Mix both the two-wheelers as well as the four-wheelers, but maximum are from the two-wheelers.
So if you can tell us what are the penalty provisions for using these modified silencers?
These people clarify
As
on
per
that.
MV Act 2, we are taking the alteration. So as per alteration, each alteration 5,000 fine as per MV Act. So we did as per the alteration in MV Act.
SP sir, if you can tell us what is the message that you want to send out today by doing this, because most public have recommended why not sell it to scrap and collect that money that you get it from there instead of like crushing it like this. What is the message that you want to send out today?
What we want to tell the people, those are using vehicles, that either four-wheelers or two-wheelers, that they should not alter anything. Whatever they bought from the company, that it should be, they should not feed with this modified silencers or even the tinted glass also that will come later. So they should not alter anything. They should use the vehicle whatever they receive from the company. And we'll do it crushing today. Perhaps maybe in future we'll do that. Maybe we can uh, sell to the scrap this and that. But then as of now, we want to show to the people that we mean business and we are crushing it, and we are not, because somebody says that perhaps we are resell it, no, so we are not doing that, and you have seen with your own eyes that we'll crush it, and it cannot be reused again. I think they should use whatever the vehicles has been made by the company, either four-wheelers or two-wheeler.
I just want to add to Sir's thing. There has been a public outcry against these modified exhaust pipes and all that. It has become a social nuisance whereby there's a lot of noise, especially at unearthly hours. And this noise it's troublesome for children who are studying at night, for senior citizens and all that. It is very disturbing. And one vehicle or two-wheeler with modified exhaust pipe causes the kind of noise which is actually unbearable. People lose sleep. People uh, they cannot have attend to their studies properly and all that. So this has become, there's been a lot of actually outcry about this and all that. And public, one thing I'd like to thank the public also actually who have given us this information. They would send us numbers. They would send us information over our 112 and also directly to us, for which we have been able to seize all these things. So we appreciate the public support and also the help rendered.
Also, while this is a commendable job, but if you can tell us how are you planning to
The
tackle
team is on the job. We are doing one at a time. You have seen now we have done all this C's, detected all this modified silencer and so on. So frequently we are checking even this, not only for this, we are checking for this rash and negligent riding also, and sometimes surprise, and sometimes even the nakas we are checking. So we'll continue, and it's not that we have not done. We have done a lot, but we'll continue to do that, to check the people to drive within the permissible speed, be the two-wheelers or be the four-wheelers.
STP and along with the police stations have set up checkpoints in various places, especially at night, to check youngsters who actually have consumed alcohol and drinking. So we are concerned about actually young people driving and drinking and driving. And we also concerned that those people who have not got licenses are driving. So we have actually set up these nakas to check on these things. So after the checking and all that has drastically reduced, but we would urge parents, we would urge their guardians and all that, please do not give two-wheelers when they have not acquired a license. They have not also they are not supposed to consume alcohol when they are planning to drive and all that. So otherwise it will cause accidents, which we have seen that these accidents are very fatal in nature, especially with two-wheelers. We also urge that we have also conducted surprise checkings in one ways where there is no entry from one side, whereby some people violate no entries, and we have seen also many a time that there have been fatal accidents and loss of life. So STP is on the job to actually ensure that there's no rash negligent driving, so that lives are saved, and also that there's no social nuisance. So in various forms, this is just one such initiative. No? There are so many others. Loud noise from boom boxes and all that. There are also people using drinkers. Then there are also so many other things, so many other violations than drunken driving and all that, which we are doing and all that. So this will continue.
Since when now it's running for 1 year.
Seizing the silencer starts from the month of August only. So we have seized since the month of August and we have got 151. Prior to that, we didn't seize.
Use the what called accidents in Shillong city, especially in the highway. So our request is that nobody should drink before they sit in the seat belt, in the steering, or in a two-wheeler.
So what about these shops are selling these silencers?
We've taken up that initiative whereby we've urged all these because there's already an order from the deputy commissioner that they are also liable. So we've in the first instance we have already taken up with them that they should stop selling apart from these other items also which are prohibited by the MV Act. And thereafter, if they're still selling, then we will take legal action.